I just fallen for stories. Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. I'm so high now, I'm so low, but someone has caught me, broke my fall, and he saved me. Who could it be? You're like an earthquake shaking up my world tonight. Tremors running through my heart, can't escape your wild delight. Breaking down every wall, running deep down inside my soul. Your love come crashing, rather strong. You have my power to control. You're like an earthquake, shake my heart. Shake, 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 oh, you shake my heart. Shake, 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 oh, what is happening here? I feel like I've fallen for stories. I was so high, now I'm so low, but someone has caught me, broke my fall, and he saved me. Oh, who could it be? Who could it be? He saved me. Oh, who could it be? Who could it be? He saved me. Oh, breaking down every wall, running deep down in my soul. Your love come crashing down, rather strong. You have my power to control. Fault line, crack beneath my feet. When you move, I start to fall down, sending waves of pure emotion. You're the center of it all, unstoppable, unbreakable. Your passion splits me like the sea, a volcano. It's unpredictable, your mind in my wildest dreams. You're like an earthquake shaking my heart. Shake, 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 shake. You're like an earthquake, you shake my heart. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, what is happening here? I feel like I've fallen for stories.